All right, good morning, boys and girls. Today we are learning to solve addition problems using the vertical addition strategy. Now, I know that you already know many strategies that you can use for addition or adding problems, but today we are going to practice the vertical addition strategy. All right, so let's go on to the first one. First one says 34 plus 63. Now, one of the main things, the most important things when we do the vertical addition strategy is that the ones go into the ones column and the tens go into the tens column. So just to help me out, I'm going to draw that up. So I'm going to write the tens and the ones. Right, and then I'm going to put my numbers in. So the first number is 34 plus 63 equals. All right, I'm going to do the ones column first. We must always start from the ones column. 4 plus 3. What's that? That's 7. And then I'm going to go onto the tens column. And I know that 30 plus 60 is 90. So my answer is 97. Okay, let's go on to the next one. So once again, I'm going to just write out the tens and the ones to help me out. And I'm going to write 44 plus 47. All right, are you ready? 4 plus 7. What's 4 plus 7? Let's think about it. 4 plus 7 is 11. All right, and when I look at the number 11, I have a 1 in the ones column and a 1 in the tens column. So I'm going to take that 1 that's in the ones column. I'm going to put that there. All right, and then they're going to take this 10 that should go in the tens column. All right, and I'm going to put it up here in the tens column. Okay, because remember, all the ones need to go in the ones column and all the tens need to stay in the tens column. Okay, and then I'm going to go 40 plus 40 plus 1. Okay, so I know that 40 plus 40 is 80, plus 1 is 90. And my answer is 91. So I've made sure all the ones stay in the ones column and all the tens stay in the tens column. All right, let's have another go at a different question. Here's a word problem. It says, Lily and her friends collected sticks to make teepees. They collected 114 twigs and 26 branches. How many twigs and branches do they have all together? Now I know because of the word all together that we're doing an addition problem. So I'm going to write out my place value again, hundreds, tens, and ones. And then I'm going to write out my numbers. So I can see 114 twigs, 114, each under the correct place value, plus 26 branches. All right, let's do this together. So 4 plus 6 is 10. Okay, now with 10, there's 0 in the ones column. Okay, so I'm going to write down 0. And then there's a 1 in the tens column. Okay, so because I can't put that in the ones column, I'm going to move it to the tens column like this. And then I'm going to count the tens column. So I know that 10 plus 20 is That's right, 40. Now I'm going to move on to the hundreds column. So there's 100 plus 0. So I know that 100, if you have 100 and you add nothing to it, you still have 100. So your answer is 147. 140.